Palantir hits historic milestone. First ever $1 billion revenue quarter. Palantir Technologies has just reported its first ever quarterly revenue exceeding $1 billion, marking a major achievement for the company and fueling a surge in its stock price. According to its Q2 earnings report, total revenue rose 48% year-over-year, powered by double-digit growth across both U.S. government and commercial sectors. U.S. commercial revenue nearly doubled to $306 million, a sharp increase from the prior year, while U.S. government sales expanded 53% to $426 million, driven by massive defense contracts. Highest profile among them is a consolidated $10 billion contract with the U.S. Army, which folded 75 individual agreements into a single long-term deal. The U.S. Space Force also awarded a $218 million order and raised the budget for Palantir's Maven Smart system to $795 million. Profits soared along with revenue, with net income doubling to $326.7 million and adjusted earnings per share hitting 16 cents, compared to 14 cents expected by analysts. The strong results sent Palantir's stock surging, jumping over 4 to 5% in after-hours trading, and making shares one of the fastest appreciating in the 2025 market. The company's massive valuation has now placed it ahead of many established names in the S&P 500, based on its forward earnings multiple. Confident in its momentum, Palantir raised full-year revenue guidance to between $4.14 billion and $4.15 billion, up from previous projections of $3.89 to $3.90 billion. U.S. commercial revenue alone is expected to top $1.302 billion, reflecting projected growth of at least 85%. CEO Alex Karp hailed the quarter as phenomenal, confidently telling skeptics they have been bent into a kind of submission by the company's success. CFO David Glazer pointed to rising efficiency, AI integration, and disciplined cost management as drivers of profitability. Palantir credited robust demand for its artificial intelligence platform, AIP, including integrations with large language models and high-performance computing infrastructure, for the results. The company is positioning Foundry and Gotham, its two flagship platforms, as vital tools for both national security and enterprise clients. Despite the enthusiasm, analysts caution that Palantir's stock price may already reflect most of its expected growth. The company currently has a forward PE multiple in the high hundreds, far above even some other fast-growing AI firms. Originally known for its intelligence and defense software, Palantir is now rapidly expanding its commercial footprint. Its tools are now used by clients like American Airlines, Heineken, Citibank, and other major corporations seeking to optimize logistics, security, and analytics. This commercial expansion is a strategic priority, particularly as governments' tech budgets fluctuate. Palantir's customer count is growing steadily, with increasing numbers of contracts over $1 million. What this means for investors and the broader tech landscape. Momentum confirmed. Palantir's first billion-dollar quarter underscores its AI relevance. Valuation premium. At over $300 billion market cap, expectations are sky-high, but skepticism over sustainability lingers. Strategic mix. Balanced growth between government and commercial clients offers resilience. AI as core moat. Palantir's AIP tools are central to its value, especially for real-world AI applications. If you're watching Palantir on your portfolio radar, this quarter strengthens the bull case, but it may also raise red flags for overvaluation risk. Only consistent execution will prove that Palantir can support its premium pricing.